Hi friends, and let's start by learning Scratch coding together. First, open the browser and type https scratch.mit.edu. Then click on Sign In and create your username and password. Then press Create top on here. This created your own project. You can work in your workspace to create your own code. On the top left corner, there are 3 tabs. The first is Code tab, where all the controls with code blocks exist. Second tab is Costumes. You can design your own sprites. The third tab is Sound. You can record your own sound and put it in your code. Let's learn to create our own sprite. The default sprite is of a cat. To delete the default sprite, click the cross button on the top right corner. Click on Choose a Sprite. You can select from different characters under different categories. We will write our first code in my next video. If you like coding, then let's scratch the code together by clicking on the like button. Thank you.